43 things I wish I knew before I started a content agency. Welcome back to my channel. Super quick, going to jump straight in. I own a content agency in the south of Ireland. My name is Jay. If you're first time here, rock and roll. If not, welcome back. I'm going to jump straight into these very fast. Get a pen and paper, write them down, read over them 3 or 4 times because I think they're going to help, and I think they're going to help a lot. So here we go. Being a small business owner is first. Being a photographer and videographer is second. You will have less, not more time, less time as a small business owner. Taxes are a real thing. Do not avoid paying taxes. What I do, I have 2 separate accounts. I have a normal account and I have a tax account. Anytime I get paid with an invoice that has tax on it, I immediately send that tax to the other account so it's there, ready to go for the taxman to claim, because the taxman does not fuck around. The only thing that can kill this is time and taxman. Your personality is just as important as the product. Your caption and copy is just as important as the photographs and videos on your website. You either do a project for free or you do it at full rate. Never do it for cheap. Other people are better editors. Plain and simple. If you shoot, send it off if you can. Rebranding means rebuilding. Remember that. Saying no is a good thing. Film is not dead. Coming back strong. Play around if you want to. But it's pricey though. Pretty pricey. Even famous photographers are just people, like you and me. So don't fantasize, don't idolize, just keep on going, you know? Celebrate your competitors' victories. It's community, not competition. Try and remember you sell memories, not ink on a paper, not a video file on a stick, not a WeTransfer. You sell memories, you sell events, you sell moments. Remember that. Always over-deliver. You don't have to give away digital files or raw files. You do not have to do that. Keep them, that's your property. No matter what it is, you're licensing out that footage or those photos to the client. That's your property. You do not have to give it out if you don't want to. Timeless is better than trendy. No, I love doing trends and I love doing timeless, so find your balance, do both. The right client is willing to pay. I always found the bigger the budget, the less micromanagement. The smaller the budget, the more micromanagement. Giving up weekends is harder than you think. As a photographer and videographer, your computer or laptop is your best investment. You don't have to do everything. You don't have to do it all. There's VAs, there's accountants, there's bookkeepers, there's marketers, there's social media managers. These options are quite affordable these days, where you can get a VA in for 3-4 hours a week and they can look after templates, they can look after social media scheduling, they can look after everything. You don't have to do everything. Hire an accountant, and hire an accountant that works for you, not the taxman. That's very important. Hire an accountant that understands your business, understands your goals, and can help you when you really need it the most. You don't need a studio. Now I'm in a studio right now, I know, but you don't need a studio. You know that. Street shoots are class. You don't need a studio. Set office hours with clients. Set up a backup solution from day one. Don't email your leads, call them. Try not to hone in and focus on photographers in your area. Reading is super important. Keep learning. Buy the right, good quality gear once, not some cheap knockoff and have to replace it again in 3 months. Lighting can sometimes, if not all times, be more important than the lens. If your gear is not insured, insure it right now. Having business cards does not make you a small business owner. Cheap products communicate cheap services. Majority of clients don't care about that small lack of quality on Facebook or Instagram in the resolution, so stop obsessing over it. Obnoxious watermarks communicate complete insecurity. Don't hire that massive SEO company that cold calls you or reaches out to you on LinkedIn. Just don't. You don't have to use Photoshop. Here are 10 free alternatives. Adobe Express, Canva, Color Cinch, Pixlr ENX, Photopea, Polar, Sumo Paint, Photor, iPicky, and Lunapic. Invest in yourself before investing in that new lens. Taking mediocre pictures and videos and trying to save them in the edit produces over-edited and mediocre photos and videos. Your brand defines your target client. If you want high-end clients, you need a high-end brand. Losing clients can be a good thing. You are not your target audience. Remember that. Stay away from gossipy Facebook groups and Instagram posts and just steer clear of all that stuff, man. And charge more to shoot on holidays. Plain and simple.